Brekkie, eggies for Nicky. I think I'm going to have 2 eggs for breakfast. No, 3. 4? No, 3's plenty. I'll have 3, but I can always make more. There's only 1 egg left!
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, 1 egg's not gonna fill me up.
Probably not, no.
Well, how am I gonna get more egg to eat? I really want eggs.
I don't know if I can really help you there. Short of me sprouting legs and heading to Coles to grab some more of me for you.
As if you're an egg. You don't even have hands, let alone legs.
Yes, that is accurate.
Ugh, you're no help at all.
I know.
You're useless, egg.
I can't help it if you're more than a 1 egg hungry.
Yeah, I'm like at least a 3 egg hungry, Chrome Dome.
Sorry, dude. Wish I could help, really.
No, you don't. You're probably happy that you're not gonna get eaten.
Nah, I'm pretty chill about the whole thing.
But don't you mean shell about the whole thing?
Huh. You're funny.
Oh yeah, you caught me egg-handed.
Wow, you're the comedian.
Yoko Ono broke up the Beatles, and all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put them back together again.
So, you got any bacon?
It's a talking egg.
Yeah.
You want to eat it?
Yes, we're just trying to figure out what with.
Okay, right, well... If you see more than a week, he's paying rent, okay? Got it?
Roger.
Yeah.
So, you got any bacon? You could have me with bacon.
Bacon. Egg and bacon. Egg, you're a genius. Oh, that's gonna be so yum. Wow. What can I ever do to repay you?
Would you have a cigarette?
No. But I can do you one better. It's a candle. And here, I'll light it for you. Happy,
In the